Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of these Honest Dumplings. This was at a place in Edmonton, and they actually deliver, so check this out though. It's called Mushroom Madness. I never tried these ones. These are Canadian, as you can see there. But let's do a quick review. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. And here are the ingredients. So you got mushrooms, enoki, oyster, cremini, white button mushrooms, and then you got dry shiitake cubes in there, parsley, olive oil, truffle oil, and salt. So actually, it's pretty cool in the way that the wrapper contains wheat. Other than that, it's pretty neat. I've never seen ones like these before, so I decided to pick them up. And we're going to do a quick review, show you what it looks like, and do a quick taste test. Alright, here we go. Look at that, they're big. And you can tell all the mushrooms in there, it's dark. What is this? This is instructions. So you can pan fry them, or you can steam them. I'm just going to boil them. Alright guys, I'll be back. Alright, so here are those Mushroom Madness dumplings all done. So I'm going to do a quick taste test, give you guys a good look. You can tell there's a lot of mushrooms in there. Wow, that is really good. You get a lot of the aroma of the mushrooms, and the truffle oil really flavors it well. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's amazing. Wow, they're really good, guys. Probably one of the best mushrooms dumplings I've ever had. Like, you don't want to waste that juice. It's good. Give you guys a better look inside, so you can see there's tons of mushrooms in there, packed. All right, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel, and try it out.